One of the first things we want you to do is to put some information, share some information about yourself on the Public Safety Wiki under the Contributors page. This will also help you get familiar with how to edit and add content to one of the web pages. When you log in, you can navigate to the Contributors page, and then of course as our login we can see across the top that we have the Edit Page option. So we'll select it. Now, one of the first things you might want to do is, if you're going to enter text, but you're going to enter an image as well, is using the two bars that are now appear under the Edit functions, click Insert. We're going to put an image. Now, normally what you would do is you would start here and select Browse, and of course this takes you through a familiar browser for files on your computer. You'd select the picture, click Open, and then it would upload it to the site. So we have the image already uploaded here. We're going to select it, and you can see it's got the yellow halo around it. Click OK. Now let me warn you, it's going to be the original size. So the first thing we want to do is look for this little blue bar on the picture. If it's not visible, then click on the picture and you'll see it pop up. So we're going to click Small. Now the next thing we want to do on this bar, this helps change how we treat the content of the image here, is to turn the wrap on. This allows the text to wrap around the image and puts it right next to where we want it to be. So next to this, we'll just click in the thing and we can start typing. And I recommend that you use this following format, and I'll show you how we're going to do it so that way all the contributors' information will look the same. And if you need help, just by all means let me know. But we'll type in the information here. Of course, we might need to, you can cut and paste from an existing bio that you have in a Word document, and it pastes easily into the site. So we might have to change the font size. Then we'll click Save. Now something I encourage you to do, notice how it puts in an extra gap here? It's important sometimes. It may take a couple of times to get the page set exactly how we want it as it formats itself. So we'll click Save again, and we'll see that it looks a little better. But under the More Actions button, we want to come down and preview a page as a viewer. This allows us to see the page as somebody visiting our site would for the first time. So now we've entered the information to our contributor site and ask that you do the same thing by simply pointing your browser to this page after you've logged in, clicking Edit Page, and then you can be the next person to enter your photo and your information here. If you have any questions, let me know.